My video tutorial will help you to remove a new ransomware called CoV. CoV is a new ransomware attacking many computers these days. CoV ransomware is called like that because it encrypts files and appends a special extension to the file names. And then after the attack, it is just impossible to use the data anymore. My video though is solely for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware and will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover your data. Anyway, before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open your files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents and other data. But regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. And then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware encrypts the data and appends a special extension to the file names, so it is just impossible to use the files. The ransomware would then tell the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, so if you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. So don't waste your money and don't pay that ransom. Pretty soon you will see the consequences of the ransomware's attack. As I said, the ransomware appends the CoV extension to the file names. It also reveals this ransom note. But do not pay the ransom. Do not waste your money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately with the help of reliable antivirus program, and I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. Use this official website and this green download Combo Cleaner button. I forgot to mention that to download Combo Cleaner you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser because other browsers may be damaged by the ransomware. So after you download the software, start the program and begin researching the system. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. First of all, the application will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Click on Start Scan button. As I said, wait until the antivirus database is successfully updated. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, the software would begin scanning, researching and investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other infections which could possibly still remain stealthily on your system. Now, pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. Its anti-ransomware feature helps to effectively remove the ransomware and to protect the data. But it does not decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to actually decrypt these files. Nevertheless, Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to effectively identify this ransomware and to get rid of it effectively from your system. Just take your time, wait until this scanning has been successfully accomplished by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and then at the end of the scan you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know all their locations. Of course, some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to research Combo Cleaner Premium version, and you can always request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. And speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more facts about how to possibly recover at least some of your files.